The basic welding symbol figure 10-1 consists of a reference line, an arrow, and occasionally a tail. Various elements, abbreviations, dimensions, and other symbols are added to this basic symbol to provide the information which the welder needs to make the proper weld. That's figure 10-1, basic welding symbol. Reference line, arrow, occasionally a tail. The tail is added to the basic welding symbol only when a specification process note or other reference information must be added to the symbol. This reference information is placed within the included angle of the tail. The reference line of the welding symbol has a particular significance which remains the same regardless of the elements added to it. The lower side of the reference line is termed the arrow side. The upper side is termed the other side. Figure 10-2. In a case where the reference line is vertical, the side to the reader's right is considered to be the arrow side of the joint. Note that the direction of the arrow has no bearing on the significance of the reference line. The arrow simply indicates a point to which the significance of the reference line and its elements are applied. Arrow side, other side.